Precise Comfort technology is an innovative way to maintain efficiency while providing greater comfort than any single-stage furnace. To demonstrate the difference, let's first take a look at a conventional single-stage furnace during the winter. With a single-stage furnace, you only have one speed, so you're either at full heat and maximum airspeed, or waiting for your home to cool down enough for the furnace to start up again. But Precise Comfort technology lets your furnace adjust its heat output to any point between 35% and 100% of its maximum capacity. So, while a single-stage furnace is constantly moving the temperature up and down, a furnace with Precise Comfort controlled by a Lennox iComfort thermostat or other compatible programmable thermostat can keep your home consistently comfortable day in and day out. When your home needs just a small amount of heat to maintain your set temperature, your furnace will use a small flame and very low airspeed to gently circulate a small amount of warm air. On the other hand, if substantial heating is needed, your furnace will respond with a larger, hotter flame and a higher airspeed. Since your furnace adapts to changing conditions in your home in real time, you don't experience uncomfortable up and down temperature swings. Precise Comfort technology is useful during warmer weather too. By starting airflow slowly, your furnace can draw more moisture out of incoming air before it starts to circulate through your home. Precise Comfort technology also helps you breathe cleaner air all year long. When your thermostat is in fan-on mode, a furnace with Precise Comfort technology can use up to 2/3 less energy than a conventional furnace to circulate a continuous flow of filtered air throughout your home. A Precise Comfort furnace provides just the kind of innovation you'd expect from Lennox, so you enjoy cleaner air and greater comfort all year long. To learn more about Lennox furnaces with Precise Comfort technology, contact your local Lennox dealer.